Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm standing in my kitchen, and that's because today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make protein shakes. I've been making them for a while now, but I'm just now starting to get into the gym and work out. So you guys will be seeing like a weight loss journey hopefully soon. And today I'm just going to show you guys how I'm going to be making my smoothies, and these will be included in like my daily diet or whatever you want to call it. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. If you have not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell next to the subscribe button. That's how you get notifications that I'm posting a new video. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share, and feel free to comment down below. Okay, so I pretty much already have everything laid out that I'm gonna be using. Today I'll be using whey protein, some bananas, honey, peanut butter, some frozen strawberries, and milk and water. Okay, so first I'm gonna start by putting a little bit of ice. I don't put a lot of ice because the strawberries are already frozen and I don't like my smoothies to be super icy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the ice in there. I have my strawberries. I'll probably just put 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I put like 5 little strawberries, half a cup of milk, and half a cup of water. I do both because for the whey protein, it says that I think I'm supposed to use milk for it, but I don't like using a whole lot of dairy. So I put half milk, half water to just kind of even it out. And I'm not like measuring everything perfectly because I just moved. I don't have a measuring cup. So I just use like this little cup to measure it with. And right now it's like half full with the milk and the water. So I don't even know if that's technically half a cup, but that's how much I use. Now I'm gonna be using my whey protein. So this is the regular serving size, but like I said, I only use half of that. And the only reason being is because I don't want to end up gaining weight from eating way too much protein and not working out enough. And since I just started working out, I don't think I need the whole amount of protein. Just gonna dump that in there. And next I'm gonna put a banana. I only use half a banana. I'm only making this smoothie for me. So if you're making it for 2 people, I would just use the whole banana, and maybe instead of like 4 strawberries, use twice as much. So here's my half a banana. And the other half, I'm just gonna put in with my strawberries, and I'm gonna freeze it as well because I don't want it to go bad. And normally I already have my bananas like cut in half and frozen with my strawberries, but I just ran out, so I had to buy some more. My next ingredient is gonna be a little bit of peanut butter. And I just add this because I love peanut butter. I love peanut butter smoothies. Like, they're just so good, and it adds a really good flavor to it. And I don't even put a lot. This is like half a tablespoon. Okay, so next I'm gonna put just a tiny bit of honey. I know that honey is good for like blood sugar and like a whole lot of other things. I don't put a whole lot because I don't know, it seems like a lot of sugar between the protein, the fruits, the peanut butter, and the honey. So I don't put a lot of the honey or the peanut butter just to try and keep my calorie count low. And I did actually add up the calories for this shake based on like how much I use. So this would be considered a single serving. And I'll go ahead and put that somewhere. So I ended up having to add some more ice because, like I said, normally my bananas are frozen too, but since they weren't, I guess I needed more ice. So I added a little bit more ice, and that's something important that you should know. If your fruits are not frozen, then you are gonna have to add a lot of ice. If they are frozen, you really don't have to add a lot, or at least I personally don't. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. But like I said, stay tuned because I'll probably be doing more healthy, actual like recipes, dinner recipes, lunch recipes. And I'll also be filming some of my workouts just so you guys can go on this journey with me, because that's somewhat what inspired me to start working out, is watching other YouTubers and being like, you know what? If I stick with them while I do it, then we'll be going through a weight loss journey together. So if you're interested, make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications, comment anything down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.